In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best blenders for the home available on the market today. We made this list based on our own. Number 1. Blender Smoothie Maker, Couture 1800W blender for shakes and smoothies with high-speed professional stainless countertop, variable speeds control, 6-sharp blade, 2 lbpa free Triton container. Ultra-high-speed blender. The Smoothie Maker blender working faster and smoother for the 1800W power. The 6 blades in stainless steel break cell walls of food easily, releasing more nutrition in seconds. This one blender acts as a juicer, nuts and coffee grinder, and ice smoothies machine for multiple using. Stainless user-friendly configuration. German standard stainless base allows you to complete any blend and still brand new after using for years. 4 rubber anti-slip feet design reduce slip effectively. Lid off and cup off provide a safe operation. Variable speed control and pre-programmed settings. The motor based with an easily adjust 6-speed control and 3 pre-programmed settings to achieve a variety of textures. It can help to achieve versatile blending features such as juices, salad, emulsify cream smoothies, shakes, sauces, heat soup, blend frozen treats and baby food, grind nuts and coffee, mix the batter for cookies and cakes. Easy to clean. The 68 ounces 2 lbpa free Triton jars self-cleaning function allows you to clean after use simple and conveniently. Place it on the blender and on medium speed blend it for a minute. Just turn the button to the P position after adding warm water. Number 2. NutriBullet NR0601 Nutrient Extractor, 600W, Gray. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries and spinach, then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Powerful 600-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body in seconds. 1. 600W motor base, 1. Extractor blade, 1. 24 ounces cup, 1. 2-go lid, 1. Lip ring and recipe book. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable, hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups on the top rack. Number 3. Breville BosstoGo Sport Blender. Silver metal body with stainless steel blades. 2 serrated central blades and 2 wide sweeping blades. Includes 2 tumbles and 2 travel lids. Personal sized tumblers for easy portioning. Make smooth, creamy drinks. Make a nutritious fruit smoothie to prepare for a busy day in this BosstoGo Sport Blender from Breville. With blades made from stainless steel, this blender will help you make creamy drinks easily and quickly. The kinetic blade system features 2 serrated central blades and 2. Number 4. Homgeek Immersion Hand Blender, 500W 6-speed 5-in-1 stainless steel stick blender with BPA-free food chopper, 600ml beaker, egg beater, milk frother. Versatility. Homgeek 5-in-1 hand blender included immersion blender, 500ml food chopper, 600ml beaker, whisk and milk frother. Not only make food preparation quick and easy, but they also offer maximum versatility to expand your creativity as a cook. Powerful motor. 500W powerful motor handles versatile blending ingredients effectively, perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, soups or baby food. 6 adjustable speeds and turbo button. Homgeek electric handheld blender offers 6 variable speeds and instant turbo. You can easily adjust the speed to fit different foods and purposes. High efficiency mixer. The 304 stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly make food mixing more efficient, evenly and smoothly. Easy to clean and safe. Detachable attachments are easier to clean. The containers are made of food-grade BPA. Number 5. Philips Kitchen Appliances Philips Soup Maker makes 2 4 servings, HR 220470, 1.2 liters, black and stainless steel. Make fresh soup when you want. No waiting, no planning, and no additional appliances necessary. The Philips Soup Maker automatically heats and blends your favorite soups in as little as 18 minutes, more than just soup. 6 preset programs: pureed soup, chunky soup, cold soup, compote, smoothies, and thanks to optimized heating profile, milk-based soup. Plus, use it as a countertop blender. Make healthy homemade soups, choose what to add without the worries of unknown ingredients found in canned soups. Try making soups like potato, broccoli, tomato, miso and chicken noodle soup. Includes a recipe book with 38 recipes and expert tips. Plus, of the 38 recipes, 13 can be used as a soup cleanse. They're marked with a special leaf icon. Enjoy perfectly textured soups and more with the unique blade design. With a 1.2-liter capacity, you can easily make a meal for 2 or appetizers for 4. Made for the USA. Voltage: 110/120. Power: 1000 watts. 6 preset programs for ultimate versatility. Soup in less